To join the fan zone, test you on the afternoon in Buenos Aires.
Age and experience with River Plate.
Mastantуонин on his right side, shooting infield and going down, and he wins his team the first set-piece chance of the game. Stands over the free kick, scored 6 goals this season. A reminder, these are 2 closed off by Dreezy. Mastantуонин. He's once again.
Sit back, clog up the middle, and soak up the pressure, which is going to be very
Qatar 3 years ago in Argentina. We've seen that here with our own eyes. Offside.
Down all the options that Realga have.
Mastantуонин. Into Cunha, it's a lovely ball there. There's the opening.
They did not want
Mastantуонin. For some reason, we've won their opening Group D games yesterday. One of those this season. In the centre, Mastantуонин.
They were wanting the service in. They have players that can finish these crosses.
Mastantуонин. Possession now.
Yes. Mastantуонин. Way first half, additional time. Mastantуонin. Mastantуonin again. The ball is on a bit short. Mastantуonin. Will still be one more chance before the interval. They're standing in Japan. Their current squad contains Bigger teams not having any Japanese international to score against.
Montiel now finds Mastantуonin. Franco Mastantуонин. Set-piece coaches, a bit more ingenuity than that.
When you're on the ground as a start, the moment it's in your hands as a start when you stand up. Great crowd support. That will not be an easy game. Hopefully we'll see him get on the ball.
Mastantуonin. Hoiberg very tight. Far more avoidable. Could there be a fourth here? And again, Cunha, the player with the ball in. And Mastantуonin with the header. It's been a fine showing going forward from Cunha. Yes, he gave away the penalty. Mastantуonin against Realga.